Hello everybody, I am so excited to be doing this review. I am reviewing the Herbal Essence Argan Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. This is a repairing shampoo and conditioner, which I personally always need. Herbal Essence has actually worked with Kew. It is certified by the Royal Botanic Gardens, which are the world's leading expert in plants. So you're not going to get any better botanicals in your shampoo and conditioner than this. This is actually pH balanced and color safe, so you can repair your colored hair and not have to worry about if it's going to mess up your color. Now, it has a fizzy, citrus, exotic spices scent to it. And it also has that creamy vanilla kind of scent that kind of warms things up. It smells so good. And I've definitely noticed the difference, especially in this area, which I felt I had most damage on. And not only does it look better, but again, it feels better. And it does genuinely feel repaired and it has life back after doing all the things that I do to it. The shampoo lathers really well. I love it a lot, but I also don't feel like I'm stripping my hair of all the good things that it needs while I'm lathering up my shampoo. And I love the pump top, by the way. That's a really big favorite of mine. And the conditioner is very good. It's a perfect balance of not weighing down your hair. So if you have curly, thick hair, I don't feel like it weighs down my curls, it takes away my curls. If you have thin hair, it's not gonna weigh your hair down and be oily or anything like that. It's a really great balance. I would highly recommend the Herbal Essence Argan Oil Repair Shampoo and Conditioner, especially if you need any sort of repair to your hair, and your hair will thank you later.